components of well foundation. So here it is. So this is a very simple diagram. So you can prefer any diagram from the any chapter, any book here. But we need to concentrate on these six main components here. So starting from the bottom here. So this is the cutting edge. So it is exactly at the bottom. Then this is bottom plug. So which is a concrete made up of rich concrete just to seal this well foundation. Then well curve. Well curve, it is the portion between the cutting edge and this wall, and this wall is called staining. So this staining and cutting edge will be connected with the help of well curve. Then top plug. So this is the, you can say, a cover of this all well foundation, and over which a well cap is provided to carry the load from the superstructure and transfer safely to the staining and then to the subsoil. So these are the six main components you need to understand. So this is the photograph of open caisson here. So it is a multiple dredge type. So you can see here, this is the periphery and multiple dredge holes are provided. After construction of these edges and these dredges, you can fill this with the help of sand. And below exactly this, below this water level, you will find, so there will be cutting edge and the bottom plug, that is the base of this will fill with the rich concrete so that it can be sealed from the bottom. After filling the sand, you can fill this top plug with the help of concrete, and this will construct a well foundation. Now we see one cutting edge. So cutting edge, sharp edge which is provided at the lower end of the well or open and pneumatic caisson for accelerating sinking operation is called cutting edge. It is made up of steel or it is made in RCC. Its angle is vertical. Angle to vertical is 30 degree and normally slope to one horizontal to two vertical, given to better results. Concrete caisson. So this is just technical part, you can understand very well. In concrete caisson, the lower part of the cutting edge is rigidly fastened with 12 mm steel. So this is the connection purpose. The cutting edge should be so sharp that it penetrates into the soil. It also should resist the various stresses caused by the blows, boulders and blasting. So it should be strong enough to penetrate into the soil as well as they take the stresses. The sharp vertical edge is generally provided to the outside face of the caisson. Edge facilitates the rate of the sinking. Next, well curve. Well curve, it is the in-between portion of staining and the wet cutting edge. So it is made up of concrete or bricks. Most of the time, if loads are heavier, then it is preferred in concrete. Cutting edge of well or caisson is attached to the well curve. During the sinking operation, well curve impart to the well staining and facilitate the formation of the bottom plug. Bottom plug, so this is the portion of concrete. After final grounding of the well to the required foundation level, a concrete plug is provided. The bottom plug transfers the entire load to the ground. So whatever the load is coming, it will be transferred this with the help of bottom plug. So it is just like, you can say, inverted arc. So it will distribute the all load evenly. The bottom plug functions as an inverted dome supported along the periphery of the staining. It is not feasible to provide a reinforced at the bottom, so it is generally made of thick and rich concrete. Most of the time M20 is used. Sand filling. So this portion, that is a hollow portion, is filled with the sand. The bottom plug concrete is cured, and after curing, the well is filled with the sand in saturated condition. Sand filling provides stability to the bottom of the well, eliminate the tensile forces at the base, cancels the hoop stresses staining induced. Next, staining. So this is the wall of the well. Staining is the constructed in concrete or masonry work. Use of staining is to provide the dead load during the sinking operation, as well as it also resists the water current forces and other stresses, etc. The topping. Covering provided over the well or caisson is called the topping. Sand is filled in between the topping and the bottom plug. Topping also act as a part of shuttering for laying the well cap. Also we are saying it is a top plug. So it is part is continued. The top plug is provided after the filling is completed. The top plug helps in transferring the load of the pier and the superstructure to staining. The thickness of the top plug is generally kept greater than 50% of the smaller dimension of the dredged hole. If sand filling is used, The top plug is simply constructed using the PCC of 1:2:4, otherwise it is reinforced with steel bars, and lean concrete of 1:3:6. Well cap. As the shape of well pier and cap are different, the well cap forms an internal layer to the accommodate the pier. The well cap is so designed that the base of the pier is provided with minimum all around offset. The center of the well cap is made up to coincide with that help of the pier and not with that of the well. So this is to ensure that whatever the loads are coming will be will not have any eccentricity and additional moments. Such positioning nullifies the effect of the minor shifts which might have occurred during the well sinking.